Okay, so we're having leaks on this hoses. Um, I kind of figured out a little bit of a solution. Instead of buying all kinds of hoses and utilizing the other ones. This one actually already had a break in there. As you can see, the water underneath it was leaking. So I'm actually just going to eliminate that hose. I already had a previous hose that I had stored away for a while, just in case something like this would ever happen. But anyways, we also have leak coming from there too, so we'll just kind of show you what's going on with that. So yeah, I've already replaced the it's got those O-rings, I guess you can call them, or I've already replaced it twice and it's still leaking. I think it's just wear around here, right in that area, and then also this has wear here in the metal, so I think it's just a goner. So we're just gonna go ahead and eliminate all that, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do by utilizing that old hose, by just adding that at the end. Okay. Okay, so I'm done with that, and I actually we used the old hose, like I said, and ran it as our short hose to our wind up little box for the hose. So we're gonna turn it on and see what it does. No leaks there. No leaks there. And there's your water. So, and that's the old hose there that we used to as spare parts, I guess you could say. Anyhow, I'm gonna shut this down and just subscribe to the channel and check out what I do pretty much on a weekly basis as far as fixing things around the house.